Hi, welcome back to DIY Cheap Daddy. Today I'm going to attempt to change the bushing on a 2009 Toyota Corolla. First of all, I jack up the car and I also remove this link by using a big hammer wrench, and you're able to remove that. This is the sway bar link, and the bushing is right there. So safety first, I jack up with 4 jack, and I actually leave one extra jack in the front just in case. So this is the driver's side, and I also do the same thing on the passenger side. So I remove the sway bar link from here using that hammer wrench, and the bushing is right there. Please stay tuned. So right now the sway bar link is moving. Since I disconnect over here, so I just put the lock here so I don't need to search for it. So this is the sway bar link, and I think the noise comes from there, right there. Please stay tuned. Okay, we're removing the front bolt using 12 millimeter. And after that, remove the bottom one, and the sway bar bushing should be able to slide off. Okay, the front bolt is out. So let me work on the back one. So put your finger right here and just ratchet right there. On the back bolt, it's better to use the left hand. Slide in and use the left hand. Right now the pushing is out, so I'm going to just slide through it, and remember the position front and back. Okay, this is how I remove it. So this is the front with a round hole, and this one is not that round, so I put the same. And the position I remove is this way, so I'm going to put back this way. So halfway there. Okay, this is the part I got for 2009 Toyota Corolla. The hole seems to be a little bit smaller than the new one. Anyway, let's see whether the noise is going after this one. I will be pretty pissed if this is not the problem. But even this is not the problem, it's still okay. The car has been has 190,000 miles and 13 years, and this one probably is original. So let's see. So right now it's half in, so you just have to wiggle the sway bar back and forth to let it easier to see in. I do it halfway, so it's easier on the driver's side. Let me work on the back bolt. This is the first, this is the front bolt. Okay, this is the driver's side. So the other side is done. I just tighten it, and it should be almost the same thing. The front and the back is the back. So same procedure. After that, just make sure you put back this link. Right now I drop it so I can move around with my bushing. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching. Okay, it's out. So as I said before, you need to disconnect this, and after this done, you connect back. So you can move this sway bar a little bit up and down like this, so you can wiggle out the bracket and the bushing. It doesn't seem bad, but let's see whether this is the cause. The hole seems to be slightly bigger on this one. Anyway, I'm going to loop this with some grease and silicone, and hopefully it lasts longer. But okay, I'm going to apply the same anti-seize on the two bolts, and hopefully if I have to remove it, you can remove easily. It's almost done. I just put this back. Trying to put it back now. That one over there. Remember, put back the nut on the sway bar. And tie it to the correct spec. That's all, folks. I'm going to put back the tire and do a test drive. Please like, subscribe and comment. Safety first. Remember to use more jack than you need, and probably a ram or ram and jack together. Safety first. Before that, for nut, this is the one of the hardest thing, because it's hard to work under the car, and also you definitely need one of these widget. It takes so long to put it back if you don't have one of this. So you keep, if you have one of this, then you keep turning, and it just takes too much time. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. Hi, I just want to mention yesterday when I tried to remove the back bolt, what I did is I lie on my back and I just use my left hand. During that time I never put my body inside it, and you should able to reach it up to the shoulder length, because in California we have earthquake. You never know when you will hit, so I never put my body under the car. I only put my hand and stretch it out over there, either tighten or loosen up. So don't take chance, even though you have all the jet to support the car. So I lie at my back and use my left hand. This is on the passenger side, and on the driver's side do the same thing, lie on your back and use the right hand. Okay, this is the driver's side, and you should be able to do the same thing. Lie down and use the right hand to work on the boat. Okay? Don't put your body under the car. If too much trouble, just bring it to the shop, because the bushing should not be cost that much to replace. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment.